Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we're talking all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today is my 1-year YouTube anniversary, and I am just so grateful for y'all. So make sure you tune in at the end of this video. We are doing a giveaway, so that information will be at the end of the video. But today we are going to go over our weekly expenses. We are going to unstuff our cash envelopes. That way we can go ahead and pay back our credit card. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, so I did take a week off, so let's kind of look over what I spent that y'all didn't see. I did unstuff this over on TikTok, but I didn't really go into depth or anything. But all of our spending for our vacation, our little out-of-town wedding that we went to, for travel expenses, which was like gas, tolls, was $106.49. Now, the one toll in Pennsylvania is actually going to be mailed to us. I didn't realize this. They take like your license plate information. So I still technically owe toll money for that state. Both there and back. We spent $632.12 out of our vacation envelope. That was just for, whatever else we needed, food, souvenirs, the whatnot. Health, my husband did get a haircut. That was $32. We had to pick up a few more clothing items for the trip. That was $95.38. And then I did spend $63.05 out of my personal envelope getting ready for that trip. So that's just kind of the quick overview of what y'all missed while I was sick and pretty much didn't put anything here on YouTube. Okay, so let's get into the unstuffing, and we are gonna start off in the variable expense cash envelope binder over here. I did not spend anything out of my personal envelope nor my husband's. Groceries. We did obviously pick up some groceries this past week coming back from the trip. So we had to pick up a few items. First day back, we went to Harris Teeter and spent $42.31. Picked up a couple items at Walmart for $13.93. Went to BJ's. We had to get a bunch of paper products. We like to do bulk toilet paper and paper towels. That was $92.95. And then Trader Joe's, we spent $101.76. So that was a total of $250.95. So let's go ahead and take that money out of here. We're going to take out $251. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 220, 240, 250, 251. So in groceries, we are left with 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, $43. So 43 left over. Okay, next up we are going to look at health. So for health, y'all, I am a clumsy person and I ended up burning my poor little finger here. So my husband had to run across to Harris Teeter and grab some burn cream for me. So that ended up being $7.99. And that was I think the only thing. Oh, nope. And then he did go to GNC and pick us up a couple little energy drinks. And that was $6.33. So health this week we spent $14.32. I'm just going to go ahead and take $14 out of here. So I'll take that dollar back. So in health, we are left with 20, 40, 60, 81. So 81 left over in health. Next up is gas. So we both had to fill up our cars this week. Mine was $39.55 and my husband's was $40.71 for a grand total of $80.26. So let's go ahead and take out 80. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. And we are left with $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14 for gas. All right, next up is pet care. We did have to pick up a couple things for the pups, but we were pretty stocked up from before we left for our trip. So we only spent $11.77 for them. So let's go ahead. We're going to take $12 out of pet care. Oh, let's see. So 20. We're going to break that down first. Okay. So there's that. Okay, so we're taking out 11. So 10, 11. There we go. Oh wait, 12. 12. Sorry. Okay, so we're left with 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36 in pet care. All right, and then the last thing over here, my husband's gym membership did come out, and that was the usual $19, which is not in this binder. That is in our subscription binder. So we'll come over here, and $19. So in our gym envelope, we are left with $3. All right, and that is it for the unstuffing. Let me make sure I come down over here and mark that that was $3 left over in gym. Okay, so the total spent for the week was $376.30. So let's count up this money over here and make sure we have at least close to that to go back to pay that credit card. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 65, 70, 75, 76. So we do have $376 to go back to the credit card. And remember, I round each time, so I do have a buffer of extra money in there. So I'm not worried about that 30 cents that I missed this week. But yeah, that was it for our expenses this week. We did pretty well at seeing most of that came from groceries and restocking up on like toilet paper, paper towels, and like those things that we only buy like literally every 3 months or so. So I'm pretty happy with that spending. We're trying to be good right now with everything, as we have another wedding that we have to travel out of town for at the beginning of November. So we're trying to kind of not spend so much of our money. That way it can kind of accumulate in our binders and we have extra money for that trip as well. But yeah, that's it for that. Now, what y'all have been waiting for is the giveaway, and I just want to say thank you so much. I can't believe it was a year ago today that I put out my first YouTube video, and now my channel is, we are getting closer and closer to 3,000 subscribers, and that's just crazy to me. I think right now we're at like 2,700 and maybe 50. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't check before the video, but I just want to say thank you so much. And so we are going to be doing a giveaway on the challenge on the channel. So I am going to be giving away one $50 gift card to either Amazon or Etsy. And then I will be giving away two $25 gift cards to Amazon or Etsy, your choice. So I want you to comment down below, what is the thing you are currently saving for? Like, what is your big savings goal right now? Like, I want to know. Like, right now, obviously mine is saving for our Disney trip in January. We are taking my mom there. So that is like my big goal that I've been focusing on this year and for a majority of this channel, honestly. So what is your big goal right now? Or what is going to be your big goal going into 2023? Like, what do you want to accomplish? I want to hear that all down below. So comment on this video, and this giveaway will stay open for a week, and I will be announcing the winners on next week's Cash Unstuffing, which will be coming out on Tuesday. So make sure you come back and check that video out as well. But yeah, what are you saving for now? Let me know. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. And I'll see you tomorrow with our income check-in and our budget for this coming week. See you then. Bye.